What are you making?
Subscribe! Like! Click!
Oh, it's Spunky Orin's bakery. The shop is almost open. I can't wait to smell the delicious buns. Oh, I think we have our first customer.
Labubu, labu, labu, labubu, labubu, labu, labu.
Labubu ordered a special birthday cake. Orin, please make a nice cake for him. The deliciously sweet whipped cream is done. Friends, isn't Orin's work awesome? Let's decorate the cake and make it look great. Wow, super duper cute! Draw small decorations to complete the cake. Wow, it's perfect!
Labubu, labu, labu, labubu. Labubu, labu, labu, labubu. Labu, labu, labubu.
Oh, Orin is going to the party with Labubu too. We're going too. Come on, friends. Hurry up. Heartsping was surprised by their friend's visit. Heartsping, it's time to get ready for the birthday party. Let's go!
Labubu, labu, labu, labubu.
Happy birthday to all of us. Heartsping. How did you like making your friends' cakes? If you liked the cake, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Stay tuned for the next video. Heartsping, you're late for your appointment. Wake up. Wake up, it's morning. Heartsping, this is not happening. I think I need to help. Subscribe and like your Lappin' friends. First, we're going to give our hair volume by rolling it up. Curl all the bangs. I'll curl the rest of your long hair too. Let me take off your sleeping patch. Oh my God! Quick first aid! Slather on the ointment. And a calming patch. Wake up. I'll do a pack for Heartsping's skin. I'll take off the calming patch now. Wow! Bubble, 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 make bubbles. Heartsping, don't forget the most important thing. Let me put a contact lens on Heartsping. Be careful. Wow! Quickly, thin, your skin makeup. Let's make Heartsping's big eyes even prettier. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. pretty! Pretty clothes for you, too! Wow, this is it! I've got some pretty clothes for you, too! Heartsping is ready to go out! Heartsping outings are a huge success, right? Stay tuned for the next fun story. Okay! Pinky has been invited to a party and has asked for your help. Stay tuned for Pinky's transformation. Let's go! First up, brush pink fluffy hair. To trim your hair, you need a good pair of scissors. Pinky, what hairstyle do you want? We can't see the pretty eyes, so we'll just cut them out to show the big ones. Let's cut some long hair compared to the short bangs. It's a medium-length cut. This is not good. I'll give the Heim cut a try. Oh, this is a hip and trendy hairstyle. But Pinky is going to a party, so I think she should have a more feminine hairstyle. I'll cut it short and give my bangs a boost. Wow, super duper cute! I'll tidy up the hair on the floor. Ta-da! No. First, let's have a tea time before the transformation. Let's start the transformation. Quickly. Thin your skin makeup. Makeup. Perfect. No. Oh, I can't wear this. Throw it away. It's so pretty. I think we're 2% short. I'll add a headdress to both ears. Not this. Wow, this is it. Bam! How about glasses like these, like Jenny's? And not? Now grab your bag with your belongings and you're ready to party. LimeTube! Looks like Pinky Wish was granted, doesn't it? Stay tuned for the next fun story.